How to update your NVIDIA graphics driver. So hello everybody. In today's video, let's get our NVIDIA graphic drivers updated the very easy way. So let's just dive right in and use any of the methods that you may prefer. So one of the things we can do is we can open up GeForce Experience or the NVIDIA application from the latest update. You can just go over and open it up. And once you open it up, what you can do is you can just go over and look out for the graphics tab on your left hand side. And within the graphics or the drivers tab here, let's go to the drivers tab. And we can look out for the update option here. So if there is any kind of update available, you can easily find it. After that, you can look out for this option called download, and you can start downloading that particular update for your graphics. This is one of the methods available. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over, and before following next step, you can restart your PC. Usually that should probably update your driver. But if you do not have that method available, you can update manually within the NVIDIA website as well. So press Windows plus R and type in dxdx and hit enter, and then you can find your GPU. So go ahead and type in that and look out for the display tab at the top. And within display, what we can do is basically go ahead and note your NVIDIA GPU name here. So you can note down your GPU name. This is mine. So you can just go over and copy it. Mine is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. So you can just go over and look out for it. Once you've noted it down, you can go to the NVIDIA's official driver download page. So type in NVIDIA driver download and hit enter, and you can look out for NVIDIA official site. After that, you can just go over and enter up your product type. So go ahead and look out for your manual driver search page here, and within here we can select GeForce. After that, what GeForce it is. So you can just go over and look out for it. After that, once you've selected it, you can look out for your GeForce name here. After that, what Windows it is, 32-bit, 64-bit, your CPU and your language. After that, click on Find, and once you've done that, you can download the game ready driver. And once you have downloaded the file, you can look out for a clean installation and finish it up, and you can restart your PC and update your driver. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and look out for Windows plus X and go to Devices Manager, hit enter. And within there also, we can look out for our graphics driver here. And once we find it up, right click on it, click on Update Driver. And if there is any update available, automatically you can search for it, or you can browse your computers manually as well. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. You can follow out this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.